Topic: Types of wood. At the end of this lesson you should be able to understand the following concepts: properties, uses and protection of wood and related wood products. Pine, wattle, blue gum, poplar and Mae-and-Thai. Protection of wood products. Wooden poles, corner poles and beams. Wooden doors, types and construction. Introduction. Learning content covered in grades 8 and 9 agricultural studies must link in with the current content that will now be covered. The purpose of this lesson is to expose the learner to the basic concepts of wood and related wood products. Concepts and skills. Name 3 types of exterior doors. Ledge door, ledge and brace door, ledge and brace pattern door. Name, identify and provide characteristics and uses of the 4 types of timber. Name, pine, Pinus spatula, poplar, blue gum, wattle. Picture. Characteristics. Soft. Color varies from yellowish white to yellowish red. Show clear annual rings. Resinous. Durable. Easy to work with. Easy to nail, varnish and paint nails. Softwood. White to straw. Colored. Fine article. Light. Easy to work with. Easily curved. Odorless. Relatively hard. Fairly elastic. Straw colored. Heavy. Absorb. Preservatives. Readily. Easy to work with. Very durable. Untreated wood is attacked by drill. Beetles. Slightly brushy. Pink brown in color. Fine wire. Strong and hard with even structure. Medium density. Dry well. Hard to process. Uses: packing cases and boxes. Building material. Furniture. Paper and pulp. Molds for castings. Laminated wood. Shipbuilding. Gymnastic equipment. Wood wool. Matchboxes. Toys. Furniture. Packaging material. Woodwork. Crates. Firewood. Laundry pins. Power and telephone poles. Building materials. Furniture. Supporter mine. Packing box. Wood saws. Pressure passages. Livestock. Poles for fences. Crates. Bark used for tanning. Charcoal. Firewood. Floors. Cardboard. Poo pail. Activities. Teacher must work out activities on the given content and provide them to the learners. Identify the wood you can use as a corner post in a fence and give a reason for your answer. Blue gum. Hardwood / weather resistant / insect resistant. What protective measures can be used to prevent weathering of wooden poles used for fences? Treat poles with creosote. Creosote penetrates deep into the wood and is not easily washed off. During a practical period, learners must be given the opportunity to identify different doors in the school building. Learners must identify different types of wood and name their uses. Learners go on an excursion to a local cooperative or hardware store where they receive a lecture on the different wooden poles used for construction and fencing on farms. Consolidation. The lesson covered all the content as prescribed by the CAPS. The learners understand the content, concepts and concepts surrounding structural materials. Values. By studying this lesson, you should be able to know and understand the types of doors and wood. Learners must understand what is covered in the content in order to successfully answer questions and the use of the necessary skills. Learners will be able to use the knowledge and skills as base for progression to the next week's lesson.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.